To keep you updated on the capital and financial markets, here is a recap of what happened.
India is rolling out long-term plans to reduce dependence on the dollar, as punishing US tariffs weigh on the nation's currency and trade prospects. The central bank this week announced fresh measures to push global acceptance of the rupee, similar to efforts by China and other regional peers to globalize their currencies amid trade disruptions. The path to internationalize the rupee, however, is fraught with challenges, according to experts. Over 1 lakh unlawful contents were removed from social media platforms in the last 18 months, SEBI chairman Theen Kanta Pandey said. Theen Kanta Pandey, chairman of the Securities and Exchange Board of India, on the 3rd of October alerted retail investors about rising frauds and scams in the securities market. A smart investor relies on credible, verified sources and ignores unsolicited offers on social media. While digital infrastructure has brought the markets to our fingertips, it has also armed fraudsters with new tools to deceive investors. Unsolicited messages on messaging applications, dubious finfluencers, and fake trading apps websites promise the one thing that markets can never offer: guaranteed returns, Theen Kanta Pandey told the World Investor Week 2025, a global campaign by IOSCO to highlight the importance of investor education and protection at the National Stock Exchange of India. The world economy has proven more resilient than expected despite acute strains from multiple shocks, the head of the International Monetary Fund said on the 8th of October, forecasting only a slight slowing of global growth this year and in 2026. What we are seeing is demonstrable resilience in the world, she said. But we are also saying it is a time of exceptional uncertainty and downside risks are still dominating the forecast. So watch it, don't get too comfortable. Buckle up, Georgieva said, adding, uncertainty is the new normal and it is here to stay. Hargreaves Lansdown has warned UK investors over exposure to cryptocurrencies, saying Bitcoin has no intrinsic value despite a regulatory U-turn on the products. The UK's biggest retail investment platform made its statement this week, as the Financial Conduct Authority lifted its 4-year ban on allowing British retail investors to hold regulated crypto products. We do not think cryptocurrency has characteristics that mean it should be included in portfolios for growth or income and shouldn't be relied upon to help clients meet their financial goals, the firm said in a statement. It added that Bitcoin is not an asset class. Global equity investors are diversifying their portfolios away from the US despite a dramatic rally carrying Wall Street stocks to a string of record highs, fund flows data shows. Investors are pouring record amounts into global equity funds that specifically exclude the US, according to analysis of data from fund tracker EPFR by Société Générale, more than is going into equivalent global funds that include US stocks. Wall Street has roared back from its lows in April and shows no sign of losing its appeal to global investors. But the fund flows data, as a snapshot of broader market behavior, shows that investors are increasingly seeking to balance their US exposure with investments elsewhere. FIMM is pleased to announce the release of its latest annual report, now available on its official website. Link in the description.
This has been the FIMM TV Weekly Recap. Be informed, stay updated. Be sure to like, share and subscribe.